This is my Apple II Plus system with an integer ROM set in it, so essentially it's an Apple II. And I just got a 13-sector version of Electric Duet by Paul Lutus. It's the very first version that came out. And I've gotten it to work and play on this system. You'll see he has an option to send it out the cassette port, which I have tied to an Apple speaker here. And this puts out an amazing soundtrack for just, there's no sound card in this. It's just simply the Apple II itself. I'll boot it up here. You can see the integer prompt as it came up. And we'll select output to be tape. And we'll play some music. And we'll choose jukebox mode. And it's just asking to proceed. And then you put in the music disc, which is still the same disc. And here's the song choices. M moves down, and then I'll choose this Jesu, Joy of Man's Desire, or something like that. Forget. But this, just listen to the sound on this thing. All that out of an old simple 8-bit computer.